Okay, welcome viewers. Here today for geometry, we are going to be learning about ways to prove triangles similar. And today we're going to start with angle. Prior to that though, I would like to show you my next piece from my Thanksgiving thrift shop collection, which is this. You might think, oh, you've already worn that, Helbing. This is not the O'Connell one, okay? This is Georgia State, people. Georgia State, it's zip up. Isn't this amazing? Love it. This was $6.99. Like, you can't beat that. I am also wearing my Nutcracker jewelry. Can the Mouse King have a cameo in my video? I'm also wearing heritage clothing. Mouse King, do you want to come be in my video? Do you want a cameo? This belt is actually, I purchased this belt because I like men's belts. These jeans are from the thrift shop though. This is the Mouse King from the Nutcracker. Yeah, try to kill me. Oh. Party guest got murdered. Okay, anyway. Yes, so Nutcracker is starting tonight, all weekend. It's gonna be great. What else did I want to tell you guys? If I make 300 subscribers by December 17th, I'm going to take student emails. I'm going to pick one and I will go into your whatever class, whatever block you want, whatever teacher, and I will sing Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas Is You. So it's going to be amazing. So please subscribe. And what else I need to tell you? I think that was it. Let's go ahead and start. So right now I've given you the concept summary for similar triangles. So all the phones and makeup should be away. I'm actually wearing makeup because it's the Nutcracker. Like, you're never gonna see me wear mascara like this again. Okay. So when we were proving triangles congruent, right? They had to be the same. Everyone's laughing at me right now. The same shape and the same size. Now we're trying to prove triangles similar. So they're going to be the same shape, but they are going to be different sizes. So there's different information that you can have that will determine whether these triangles are similar. Up till now, we have had to have all the sides proportional and all the angles, the corresponding angles, congruent. But sometimes we don't have all of that information. Sometimes we have two sets of corresponding angles congruent, okay? And we know that the sum of all three angles in any triangle adds up to 180. So this missing angle is going to be the same as this missing angle. So we really don't need that third angle. We just need two. That means that all the angles are congruent. Therefore, all those two triangles are going to be similar. And that's what we're going to be learning today. The angle-angle similarity postulate. Next class, we are going to look at the last two ways to prove triangles similar. Side, 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 which sounds familiar because there was a side, side, side for proving triangles congruent. But that, when we were proving triangles congruent, all the sides, the corresponding sides, had to be the same length. They had to be congruent. Now, these have to be proportional. So we're going to check these ratios and see that the ratios are all the same. And if they are, then the two triangles are similar by side, side, side. And the last one is side, angle, side. So the angle is the same, and these two sides on either side of the angle have to be proportional, not congruent, like the congruent triangles. So that's kind of a summary of what we're doing. So if we go to slide number, this is the problem we're going to do. No, I lied. 40. Slide number 40. So we've got two triangles, kind of small for America, but I'll tell you what it says. Here are two triangles. One triangle has a 60-degree angle and the other has and a 40-degree angle. The other has a 40-degree angle and an 80-degree angle. Before we can start to figure out if these two triangles are similar, we are going to have to figure out the missing angle in each of these two triangles and see if we have two sets of corresponding angles that are congruent. We already have one set, right? This angle, that angle is 40, that angle is 40. Well, it'd be nice if this angle up here was 80 or this angle down here was 60. So take out your calculator, figure out the missing two angles. Oh, wait. probably are looking at me today, this jewelry, and like, what is Hell being wearing? Like, how, like I'm walking around school like this. It's fine. Nobody cares. Yo, random kids in the hallway are asking to be my thumbnails. That's the thumbnail that we're doing today. I was in the hall taking thumbnails, and these girls walked up to me and they're like, "Can we be your thumbnail?" I was like, "Sure." All right, what's the measure of this angle up here? 80? Oh, that's excellent, because that now we have a second pair of corresponding angles that are congruent. Well, let's figure out the third one anyway. What's the measure of this angle? Okay, so explain how you know the triangles are similar. And you guys might write this better than me. I'm going to write, we have two sets of corresponding angles that are congruent. Oh, I was going to try out my new speaker. I've never tried this before. I don't know if it's charged. We're about to find out. A student named Liam messaged me, basically told me that the sound wasn't great in my videos when I'm not like next to the camera. And so I said, you know what? I have this amplifier. I should try it. About to see what happens. You guys are about to see tech issues live. I've never tried this before. Can you hear me? Does it make any sound? Shoot. Hello? 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 I don't know if anything's coming out of there, but we're... Okay, it's all the way up. I don't know if it's working or not. All right, the next one. How long are the sides labeled X and Y? All right, so we have one set of corresponding sides that are, there's a ratio 3 to 5. We've got another set over here. X is to 8 as 3 is to 5. Okay, but we need to figure out what X is and see if that's the same. We can make that the same ratio as 3 to 5. But same for the 6 and the Y. We can't write a proportion with two variables, so we're going to have to do them separately. So let's start with X. So I'm going to choose to put 3 over 5. Can anyone hear anything coming out of that speaker? Can you walk up to it and listen and see if my voice is coming out of it? No, it said it was going to connect automatically. Okay, listen to it when I'm over
there.
There
We go.
And tell me. Wait, what did you just do?
I did the mic button.
Okay, you're my new tech support for this class. Sweet. Okay, 3 is to 5 as X is to 8. Since I chose to put the 3 over the 5, I have to now put the X over the 8. Are you with me? Cross multiply, divide. We've got 5 times X equals 3 times 8, that's 24. It's going to end up being 24 fifths. How are we doing? So X equals 24 fifths. And now we have to find Y. So Y, I'm going to use the same 3 to 5. 3 is to 5. Now since I put the 3 over the 5, I have to put the 6 over the Y. Are you with me? Cross multiply, divide. 3 times Y equals 30. Divide both sides by 3. I'm getting 10. You guys getting 10? Somebody better be checking my answers. America doesn't need to see all my mistakes. 10? That's it. We explained how we knew the triangles are similar, and we found X and Y. So now the sides are proportional. That's it. All right, guys, thanks so much. Thanks for coming out. Make sure you subscribe. Come see us in the Nutcracker tonight. It's going to be great. And that's all. I really hope I get to 300 subscribers by December 17th, because I'm really looking forward to crashing some classroom and singing. Like, because we're not telling the teacher. I'm just going to show up in my Justin Bieber shirt and with some sort of Santa hat. Probably I'll have the Heritage Santa hat by then because I just ordered one. And the closet tour is coming soon. I'm going to do a closet tour of all my Heritage clothes. It's going to be super long because I have so much stuff. So much stuff. I've been in this building 14 years, so I have lots of Heritage stuff. This is my volleyball. This is one of my favorite shirts, volleyball. All right, that's it. Peace out. Thanks for watching.